Hello, fellow gardeners. Imagine plucking a fresh, fragrant lemon right from your own tree. Growing lemons in North America, even in cooler climates, is more achievable than you might think. With a little care, you can enjoy homegrown citrus year-round. First, select the right variety. Meyer lemons are a popular choice for homegrowers due to their compact size and prolific fruiting. Eureka and Lisbon varieties also do well, especially if you have a sunny spot. Consider dwarf or semi-dwarf trees, which are perfect for containers. These smaller trees are easier to manage and move indoors when temperatures drop. Always buy from a reputable nursery to ensure a healthy start. You can grow lemons from seed, but it takes many years to fruit, and the fruit may not be true to type. For quicker results, purchase a young grafted tree. These trees are already established and will bear fruit much sooner. A grafted tree ensures you get the exact lemon variety you desire. It also means the tree has a strong rootstock, making it more resilient. This is the most recommended path for home gardeners. Lemons thrive in well-draining soil. Use a high-quality potting mix specifically designed for citrus or containers. Avoid heavy garden soil, which can retain too much moisture. Choose a pot with excellent drainage holes. A terracotta pot is ideal as it allows for good air circulation. Start with a 10-15 gallon pot for a young tree and repot as it grows. Lemon trees are sun worshippers. They need at least 8 hours of direct sunlight daily to produce fruit. Indoors, place your tree in your brightest south-facing window. If natural light is insufficient, especially during winter, supplement with a grow light. A full-spectrum LED grow light can make a significant difference. Position it a few inches above the foliage. Consistent watering is key, but avoid overwatering. Allow the top inch or two of soil to dry out completely between waterings. Stick your finger into the soil to check moisture levels. When you do water, do so thoroughly until water drains from the bottom of the pot. Reduce watering frequency in winter when the tree's growth slows down. Lemon trees are heavy feeders. Use a specialized citrus fertilizer, following the package directions carefully. Fertilize regularly during the growing season, typically from spring through fall. Look for a fertilizer with micronutrients like iron, zinc, and manganese. These are vital for healthy leaf development and fruit production. Reduce feeding during the dormant winter months. If your lemon tree flowers indoors, you might need to play pollinator. Use a small, soft paintbrush or a cotton swab to gently transfer pollen from one flower to another. This ensures fruit set. Simply swirl the brush inside each flower, collecting and distributing the yellow pollen. Repeat this process every few days while the tree is in bloom. Prune your lemon tree to maintain its shape, encourage air circulation, and remove dead or crossing branches. This also helps direct the tree's energy into fruit production. The best time to prune is after harvesting or in early spring before new growth begins. Aim for an open canopy that allows light to reach all parts of the tree. Keep an eye out for common pests like spider mites, scale, and mealybugs. Inspect your tree regularly, especially the undersides of leaves. Early detection is crucial for easy management. Treat minor infestations with insecticidal soap or neem oil. For persistent issues, consult your local garden center for organic pest control options. For most of North America, lemon trees need to come indoors before the first frost. Choose a cool, bright location, ideally with temperatures between 50 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Reduce watering and stop fertilizing during winter dormancy. Gradually acclimate your tree to outdoor conditions again in spring after all danger of frost has passed. Lemons are ready to harvest when they are fully yellow and firm. Gently twist or snip them from the branch. They will continue to ripen slightly after picking. Enjoy the incredible flavor of your homegrown lemons in cooking, drinks, or as a fresh garnish. There's nothing quite like the taste of a lemon you've grown yourself. Growing lemons at home is a rewarding experience. With these tips, you're well on your way to enjoying fresh, fragrant citrus from your own garden. Happy growing!